nơi thay thay ní dương từ tụ bàn comment muối cột số thang tao bị nè cái an đôi mình đấy chụp trời bruไปคล้ายลือกับอันเจแต่ไปคล้ายลือกับอันจังแต่จังกดจองสูตรตามาอ่านโดยไม่ได้จบเลยจังสำหรับจำเลยบอกย้ำคือนั่งไงแต่ตรงตอนนั้นการอ่านคือยังตระดังได้ตายังอ่านตามตรงมวยหนาบ่ยังใหญ่ปีตรงนั่นคือไม่มีจานให้บ่มวยเตี้ยคือสำหรับสายมวยนี่บ่ตามใบอเมริกันให้นั่งตามใบอังกฤษจอมนะคือ American English and British English คือเป็นมีเพียบคกนี้ติดจุดจังสำหรับบ่สายมวยนี่ที่เราสำลีมวยนี่បើសិនតាមបែប American English គឺគេអាន a អញ្ចឹងវាស្តៀងទៅនឹងស្រៈ a នៅក្នុងភាសាខ្មែរយើងអញ្ចឹងប៉ុន្តែតាមបែប UK គឺគេអាន a ដូចវាចង់ទៅស្រៈ a នៅក្នុងភាសាខ្មែរប៉ុន្តែអត់ចំណាព្រោះនៅក្នុងភាសាអង់គ្លេសក៏គេមានសំឡេងមួយនឹងដាច់ដោយឡែកដែរអញ្ចឹងអត់ទៅចំស្រៈ a តែម្ដងគឺអត់ទេណាអញ្ចឹងបកមកវិញសម្រាប់ពាក្យនេះបើយើងអានតាមបែប American English គឺតាមបែប American គឺយើងអានថា cats ហើយដល់ពេលយើងអានតាមបែបអង់គ្លេសតាមបែបអង់គ្លេសណា British English គឺយើងអាន cats cats អញ្ចឹងវាមានភាពខុសគ្នាមិនតិចតួចអញ្ចឹងសម្រាប់យើងជាអ្នករៀនហ្នឹងឯងបាទយើងគិតថាមួយណាស្រួលយើងអានមួយហ្នឹងតែបើសួរថាមួយណាខុសមួយណាត្រូវមួយណាគេនិយមជាងវាអត់មានចម្លើយមួយដែលបាទប្រកបទេណាអញ្ចឹងមានតែប៉ុណ្្នឹងជួបគ្នានៅវីដេអូក្រោយ